Many individuals face the complex situation of holding an H-1B visa while also seeking an F-1 visa for academic pursuits. Understanding the implications and potential challenges is crucial. We'll explore the overlap of H-1B and F-1 visas, work considerations, remote work and visa stamping processes, and key considerations and potential issues. Yes, you generally can continue working on your H-1B visa while applying for an F-1 visa. The H-1B visa allows you to work in the U.S. for a specific employer, and its validity isn't immediately affected by applying for another visa. However, several factors come into play. If your job allows for remote work, you could potentially continue working while outside the U.S. for the F-1 visa interview process. Verify if your employer's policies and work arrangements allow for this. Applying for the F-1 visa often requires leaving the U.S. to attend an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. After approval, the F-1 visa is stamped in your passport. If you leave the U.S. and your H-1B status is still valid, you can potentially return to the U.S. on your H-1B if the F-1 visa application gets denied. What happens to your H-1B status if you enter the U.S. on an F-1 visa? A. It remains active. B. It becomes inactive. C. It is cancelled. D. It is transferred to F1. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. Once you enter the U.S. on an F1 visa, your H-1B status becomes inactive. To reactivate your H-1B status, you'll need to exit F1 status, for instance, by withdrawing from school. When applying for an F1 visa, you must demonstrate your intention to study and return to your home country after completing your studies. Holding an H-1B visa might raise questions about your intentions, but this can be addressed with strong evidence of your plans. The F-1 visa, once approved, can impact your H-1B status. If you enter the U.S. using your F-1 visa, you are then in F-1 status, and your H-1B becomes inactive. Your previous H-1B status can be reactivated if you are no longer in F-1 status. The complexities of these situations mean it's essential to consult with an immigration attorney. They can provide tailored advice based on your specific circumstances. In summary, you can typically continue working on your H-1B while applying for an F-1. Make sure to consider all relevant regulations and potential challenges to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.